Okay guys, welcome back to Mel's channel. Now, the question is, should you consider this watch before your next Rolex? Let's find out together. So this arrived today. So any guesses what this watch may be? Comment below. Oh wow, this is packed really well. Okay, to reveal my brand new, I can open it. Can you tell from the box? Revealing my brand new and first Grand Seiko. Yay. So why should you consider this over a Rolex? Let's have a look together. Let's open up the box. Okay, so we've got some, wow, it comes with a lot of things. Obviously got the receipt, got a Grand Seiko watch case, I've got the watch here. Let's just put this away for the time being. So this is my brand new SBGP017. So what is it exactly? I'll show you. Wow, there's just so much stuff that included. Okay, for the reveal. Okay, this is my brand new Grand Seiko SBGP017. So it's from the Grand Seiko Heritage Collection. It's a limited edition watch. It's actually a quartz watch, guys, and it's stainless steel. It's about 40 mils wide, but check out that dial. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is just a beautiful dial. And let's try it on. All right, that literally took me 15 minutes to get those swing tags off. Finally. Okay, so this is the new Grand Seiko from the Heritage line. It's a limited edition of 2000. It's nicknamed the Sea of Clouds because it looks like there's actually a sea of clouds in the dial. So why do I think you should consider one of these before your next Rolex purchase? First of all, it has the same quality as Rolex, and you can just feel the quality. I must admit, the one thing I would say is the bracelet doesn't have the same heft as a Rolex, but the dial, the actual detailing on the dial is just as good, if not better than Rolex. Number two, the movements. Now, this is a quartz watch, which turns a lot of people off because they believe watches should only have a mechanical heart. But I disagree. This is accurate to 5 seconds a year. You can probably see it has a little star there. There's only 6 Grand Seikos that have been made with this star, and it means that it's plus or minus 5 seconds accuracy for the entire year. There's no way you're going to get that with a Rolex. Yes, it's battery powered, but that's one less thing you have to worry about. Number 3, the actual finishing on this case is superior to a Rolex. It's polished by artisans in Japan. It's called Zaratsu polishing. It uses a special ROLEX machine to polish it, and you can actually see a mirror image through the case. So if you hold this up to text, you'll see a mirror image. Another reason is that it's actually attainable. Now, this one sold out within a week because it was a limited edition of 2000 worldwide, which is not a super scarce amount of watches, but still, the amount of times you've tried to go into your Rolex AD and actually get a Rolex, I mean, you know the games that you have to play. And I just love the fact that this is a brand that people are just starting to appreciate. Everyone knows about Rolex, but not everyone knows about Grand Seiko. So there's some of the reasons why I think you should consider a watch like this before getting your next Rolex. So I'm going to enjoy wearing this on my wrist. I think it actually suits my 16.5 centimeter wrist really, really well. That's a close-up for you guys. Now you can see how it ticks because it's a quartz. Now usually with quartz watches, the second hand doesn't extend all the way to the outer edge of the watch. But because of the quality of this watch and the way they make their quartz, the actual second hand can tick, and it can actually tick right onto the minute markers, and they're super accurate. So that's one feature of Grand Seiko that you won't find on many other watch brands. It weighs a decent amount. Now this is the exhibition case back. Come here, Trina. This is the exhibition case back. You can see that it's got a blue sticker on it. Now it's not often that you will see a quartz watch with the exhibition case back finished to this level and this degree. I'm just going to take the sticker off so you can have a look. Now you can see the battery up here, and look at the finishing on the back of the watch there. Now you can see all the gold and all the etchings in the gold. Now that is what you call high class finishing. What do you think, Gina? Do you like it? I think Gina likes it too. So what do you think, guys? Would you consider one of these watches before your next Rolex purchase? Now, Grand Seiko has a long history. Once you start diving into the catalog, you'll definitely find there's a lot of things to like about the brand. It's something that I've come to love over the last couple of years, and this is the first of many I hope to get. So I bought this online from the Australian Grand Seiko boutique online, and these are just coming out to everyone worldwide now. So it's good to be one of the first to get this watch, and I'm just going to enjoy it and try and wear it a bit over the next few weeks.